How to do digital license plates work. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this you will just have to open up any browser. You can open it up on your mobile device or on your PC or laptop, and after that search for Reviver license plate. After that you will be able to find this very particular link on the first page itself. Just click on it and this is where it will take you. Now over here you can see that there is a promo code, so you can just simply use this promo code while purchasing the digital plate. And in order to purchase it, just click on this option of shop our plate and wait for it to load. After that, here you can see that there is two options available for you. The first one is battery R plate and the second one is wired. Though the prices of both the plates is almost similar, like it is $599 for both the digital plates, and if you want to go for the monthly subscription then it is $49.95. So you can just purchase it. After reviewing all the details about it, you can add it to your cart and then add the promo code. Don't forget it, as you would be getting some discount on the final price. And also if you want to install it by yourself, then it would not cost you any money at all. Otherwise it might charge you $150 for a professional installation. And this is how you can get the digital license plate work done. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.